Hello kids! Welcome to Bahay Aralan. For this video, we will be comparing and contrasting things. What do we mean by comparing and contrasting? When we compare and contrast, we point out the similarities and differences between two or more subjects, like people, animals, places, things, or events. For us to compare and contrast well, we have to identify the basis of comparison or the aspects or characteristics that the subjects have in common or differ. It could be their size, color, taste, purpose, type or category they belong to, and other qualities that can help us highlight their similarities and differences. Now, the question is, how do we do it? One of the ways is by using a Venn diagram. This is how it looks like. As you can see, there are two overlapping circles. The two circles represent the two subjects that we are comparing. The center of the Venn diagram, which constitutes the parts of the circles that overlap, is where we put the similarities between the two subjects. And the outer parts of the circles, those that do not overlap, are the spaces where we can put their differences. Let us have an example. Let's say the subjects that we'll compare and contrast are crocodile and alligator. We can put crocodile in the left circle and alligator in the right circle. Let's think of their similarities first. What aspects do they have in common? They are both reptiles. So, we have to put it in the overlapping parts of the circles. What else do they have in common? They can cause harm to people when triggered, right? Another similarity. They are excellent hunters. They are good at looking for their food. Another one. They have bony bladed backs. They also have very strong tails. Now, since we're already done with the similarities, we can now move on to their differences. Let us use the shape of the snout as our basis of comparison. How do their snout shapes differ? A crocodile has a pointed or V-shaped snout, while an alligator has a wide or U-shaped snout. How about their habitats or the places where they live? A crocodile prefers salty water more, while an alligator prefers a freshwater habitat. Next are the teeth. For a crocodile, when its mouth is closed, its bottom teeth are visible, while for an alligator, the lower teeth are not visible when its mouth is closed. How about their colors? The color of a crocodile is light green or brown or light gray, while the color of an alligator is dark green or dark gray or black. Okay? So this is how we compare and contrast. And as you can see, by using this kind of diagram, it is very easy for us to identify the similarities and differences between the subjects, right? Let us have another pair. Let's compare and contrast Earth and Mars using the Venn diagram again. Let us put Earth in the left circle and Mars in the right circle. Let us first identify their similarities and put them in the overlapping parts of the circles. Earth and Mars are both planets, particularly inner planets. These are the planets whose orbits lie between the Sun and the asteroid belt. Another similarity. They are made of rocks and metals and have solid surfaces. Also, Both planets have satellites that orbit them. Earth has a moon and man-made satellites, while Mars has two small satellites or moons, Phobos and Deimos. What else? Both Earth and Mars have landforms like mountains, plains, and even sand dunes. Interesting, isn't it? Now let us move on to their differences. Let us have their sizes. Which do you think is bigger? It's the Earth. Mars is smaller in size compared to Earth. Next, Earth has abundant water, while Mars does not have water. It's a dry planet. Although it was believed that water may once have existed on Mars. Another difference is that there is life on Earth, while there's none on Mars. How about its distance from the Sun? Earth is closer to the Sun compared to Mars. Alright, so do you already know how to compare and contrast things, as well as how to use a Venn diagram? Great! That said, that would be all, kids. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.